Hi again. This is part 6 now. Okay, we was in Aussie JPY. It was 4 hours. You need to look at. Okay, this is how it looked in 4 hours. And next one is GDP JPY. It was here. I marked this um, R1S1 before last week. They, they keep changing to put you R1S1 at the present price. So they're moving down now, leaving this R1S1 in the history. This is yesterday, Tuesday, Monday. Monday, everything get back from New Year's, and now people trying to read the market and trying to get in. So am I here. Leg one, leg two, and they managed to get leg three to go down, even leg four, and I explained it before with GBP JPY or some OPEC JPY. Euro. Yeah, I feel like they are correlated somehow. The JPY was very weak and trying to gain back things, and now GBP JPY is one of the things that the GBP is trying to gain back to move, you know, in the higher time frame. Let's see from weekly. I just want to kill it. Let's go quick. Yeah, we need to looking for test one and test two. Where is which time frame that giving this? It is weekly not do anything yet, but it seems like weekly already start to do something. Like before, JPY was so weak, and this year is like still weak. In the middle of the year, it's coming. JPY coming back, and they raise up the interest rate for zero something point 5 or 0.25, I can't remember. It make a lot of impact into the Japanese government to influence and trying to keep fighting to keep the currency strong, not to become toilet paper. So this is what we saw Japanese yen getting strong, pushing JP, putting GDP down and fight on the sideways for the test. They got managed to get da 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 da. If this is the test one, I count the first one. This must be the second one, but normally this is not always count. You count the first and the big swing. So the first test and then the second test come weak, struggling to challenge this guy, and that's it. If they test the second time for sideways and you find this buyer is getting weak, you can smash it down, get a piggyback with the guys who have a big pocket. So this 1 week. Anyway, so today they start give you clearly from the start test one. You can see clearly now in the day test one get up to go test two for the best the price the better price. Sorry for a while, and the buyer is no more can pushing up, and they seem like, oh, I need to get a better price too. So that's decided not to buy more, and this discount price come down and looking for the buyer who haven't get in for the first place. They miss this chance, and now the market come back to lift them up to go with to go together, and the bigger guys say, are you coming with me or not? A retail guy like me say yes. If you can read the chart. Okay, they get to move the price above this after they get test one is supposed to go down, yeah? This is test one for this guy. This is V formation. Test one and test two to get a better price. Their job is trying to get further down. It's called like they put into let's see if I can do it right. Low, low, this low, low, and they need to put a lower high, and but lower high, and then they get to have to a lower low than this guy, and lower high like a zigzag down. That's their job. They need to do that. We have to read the candle if who is bigger, who is weaker, something like that. So this is the test one, test two, and they're still testing this. So that going down to 4 hours have clearly more picture on the downside. This is the trending up, pull back, respect this guy, and going up for higher high and sideways, pulling back, start to come back to the range to test this guy, but they cannot even coming down to get this uh, MACD. So this about this high, this about the same high, this high up, but this one is more higher than when you look at this. But anyway, this is upside market trending up. They are maintain their ground. They don't even come lower than this guy. That's why it's desperate sign. So when they get come up here, they not cannot maintain above this area. It's like they put into a channel. So they have to get a test to below this guy, but since they are so desperate, channel is not even can be made here. Yeah, they do. This channel they come up, look like a channel to me, but exactly I don't know. This is like they still respect this area. It's just a dashing. It's come back. It doesn't count. This means they respect this guy. If they not respect, come Harvard, it would be called a channel start. But they respect. They can't make a higher high. They're coming back, and this is what they keep maintaining the ground. They're fighting. They are at the end. The buyer have enough of it, and they push the things up with this very big candle, and the result of pulling back is up to the 50%. They still respect this guy, this level, and then they're losing their strength as the MACD said they cling around here at the 70%. It's time to go down somehow by the signal of red cut across yellow. The yellow is the actual price, actual the MACD, the direction that is going down, but really this is like jumping up against this MACD. So I call this area of divergence. So once you get the first down, okay, you find this intention of MACD that say they're following the MACD because this what is searching up is just a fake. It's just people who do not understand the divergence system. So the thing is, if you can't get in here, if you can get in from here, it's good, but it's not sign what anything. You need some transition period, like sideways market. Now they're pulling back at least the first time. You can't just get in here yet, even though you know it's the divergent. Divergent need time to test too. So that once they first you sure that it's divergent, they get the first test. They are so desperate. The first intention, the second intention for make people thinking they're trying to go down for sure. And if people are following this without the second test, they will get burned. At least this guy not giving up yet. It's his territory. Don't come near me. I will smack you. And he did that. He put the price up back to this guy challenging, but not even get killed for R6. This is standing for R6